Hi there. In this lecture, I want to show and implement the admin login page. This admin login page will be as same. This is our dashboard pages, and this login page we have to implement first of all. So go to our VS Code editor. Here you have to show a couple of route. First of all, our index route, and index route will help. Will hit welcome pages. This welcome pages is here views and is views here the welcome blade.php, and welcome.blade.php is looks like in this page will be rendered when you index page hit it. So if we will check some, if you will be a new in Laravel, this is our comment tag, and this comment tag we just keep the whole code. We just keep the whole code and just write dashboard, and so definitely will save and look the browser. This is the browser, and when the page is reload and look at that, the dashboard is shown because we every code will be commented and like only H2. Open our comment tab. Wrapping is open, and I just yes. Our primary goal is implement admin login pages. So that's why we just mark admin login. Okay. And now our route page is route gate. But primarily we'll need to make a controller. Okay. Some error messages need to be controller, and our controller will be PHP artisan make controller backend. This is the folder name, and controller will be admin controller. Something like wrong because of that function route is a get function. So first of all is a error route. That's why I will uncomment it, and initially I will need to we will need to be create controller first. Sorry, PHP artisan make controller backend admin controller. Here the controller has created. Okay, look at this controller app http controller backend. Here is the admin controller is created. Fine. So now we'll need to route. So route gate uh, admin slash login admin controller netted class. Uh, our function will be keep login, and name will keep admin dot login. Here, so we'll need some couple of file to make this so admin controller login. So we jump to the admin controller. Okay, and public function login. Now we need to view this file. So initially resource views. We make a couple of folder. Okay, friend. So first of all, backend. This folder. Backend will be two folder. One is admin, because in previously we'll discuss, we'll keep three dashboard. One will be admin, one will be instructor, and one will be user. So admin, another will be instructor, so user will be make later. So admin, so currently we make admin login page, so that's why make a folder login. And login, so login folder is like index dot play dot php. Here, just testing purpose, admin login. Here, just return view, return view backend admin login by index. Okay. Okay, now go to the browser, reload the browser. We just got our previous page as shown, a welcome page actually, and go to the route admin slash login, and literally admin login will be shown. That's a route is working fine. Now our challenge is to put in these UI as same as like. So first of all, we just control U and just paste the whole things. Okay, here just admin login. We just put same, just format our code. So code format, and now we have made a section actually. Look at that, just copy and look at that, and we just into the folder backend into section. We just give all of these things into the section create link dot plate dot php, also as well as script dot blade dot php. Just link is just put the copy section, and here we just include it at the rate include uh, backend admin backend section link. Okay, not a rocker. Let's say admin credential. Okay, admin credentials, LMS. Fine. Now go to the script part. All of the available script just put to the script part and just format the code. And now, friend, we have another work, Laravel asset function will be help. But one things, our asset plugin, all of the available plugin and necessary document, we will need into the public folder. So go to our template file. Our backend theme template file is looks like similar. Here you get the asset. Don't worry, I will give the all template frontend and backend link in the description. You will check. Just copy Just copy and move to the our selected root directory. Okay, so our root directory is include into the C folder. Oh, sorry, just okay. Here, this is my public directory. This is my root directory, and into the my public directory, I just paste of my asset. Uh, just remain some times and look at that asset, but we make another folder. It will be the backends, so easy to understand. And another asset will be front end in later. But initially, code will be organized, so it's very effective when someone are ordering the folder is perfectly, then it will be organized and other person will easy to understand. So backend will be the asset. And look at that, some other our code editor. Now our public folder backend and assets. So what I will need I will use Laravel helper function to get the all available CSS and all available JavaScript. So just one. So asset just wrapping the anchor and asset, and it will be the backend will be prefix. Okay, backend will be prefix, and all available helper function is like similar asset and backend prefix. Okay, now after updating my code, it looks like all of this wrapping in asset into the prefix is backend, as well as script also. Script also similar, just asset helper function and prefix will be backend. Okay. Now let's see what will be route and got all CSS and JavaScript is got or not. Okay, just reload your browser. Yes, some design, some image will be missing. So look at that. What will be missing is probably asset will not so comes. So we'll check this here. Here the first of all asset. This will be icon cover that is busy. This will be asset. Just wrapping asset. And prefix will be backend, and the other will be logo. And yeah, it's not a rocker admin, it will be the admin credentials, email, password, remember me. Not a forget password option, particularly for admin, but we keep this functionality in your instructor or user. Sign in, don't have account, sign up here, no needed. It just cross or not other social or something. Social is not needed. Social is not needed. It's not needed. Just remove. Yeah, just reload. Now we reload the browser. I hope image, yes, image will be gate, and email and logo is missing. Our here is an was a logo, but it will be missing. We just keep the code. Yes, I heard. I just missing my prefix, and prefix will be backend. I hope logo now this logo will be. Just reload the browser. uh, so not showing. Okay, so okay, I just have a mistake is another time, sorry. So here it will be the work and just reload. Yes, finally this logo will becomes. So now the design will come to the proper route, and when I need to be make a database for login for admin credential. So next part I will cover the model table migration process, and also as well as admin login to the dashboard pages. Okay, thank you. If you like my tutorial, please like and subscribe my channel. Your small contribution help me a lot to grow in extra motivated to make a new tutorial. So thank you all, friend.